In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics in Squarespace. So let's get started. First, we'll need to make our way to the Google Analytics platform. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. You can easily do this by typing Google Analytics into your search bar or by entering the URL directly in your browser's address bar. Google Analytics is an incredibly powerful tool that helps you track and analyze reader engagement on your Squarespace site. It's your gateway to understanding your website's traffic and performance. Once you've reached the page, you'll see an option to sign into Analytics. Click the Sign In button. Be sure you're using the Google account that you'll be linking to your Squarespace site. With an account logged in, you'll gain access to your Analytics dashboard, a comprehensive hub for all your data insights. From here, find and click on Google Analytics Home in the menu options. This will take us to the main interface where you can set up and customize your analytics preferences for your Squarespace site. Now on this homepage, look for the settings option. This is where much of the configuration magic will happen. Give it a click. Within the settings area, find and select data collection and modification. This section allows you to manage data collection elements, ensuring you're gathering all relevant information from your site visitors. Continuing from there, look for the data streams option. Think of data streams as pipelines carrying site visitor data from your Squarespace site into your Google Analytics account. In this space, you'll manage how this data flows into your analytics dashboard, paving the way for insightful metrics. The next step here is crucial. Once you're in the data streams section, we'll need to obtain a specific code that links your Squarespace to Google Analytics. This is known as the measurement ID. You'll see this ID prominently listed. Go ahead and copy it. This sequence of numbers and letters forms the key part of the link between your site and Google Analytics. Without it, the connection process can't be completed. With the measurement ID safely copied, our journey with Google Analytics is momentarily paused. Keep the measurement ID in a safe spot as you make your way into your Squarespace dashboard, where we'll enter this ID to complete the link. By following these steps methodically and ensuring each task is completed as described, you'll have Google Analytics set up in your Squarespace site in no time. And there you have it. Tracking website traffic and analyzing visitor behavior has just gotten easier with Google Analytics integrated into your Squarespace site. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you gain the insights you need.